Hey, what's up guys, this is JinSam, and a few days ago I met a friend who is working in one of very famous Japanese restaurant in the hipsters place in Korea, which is called Hongdae. This guy has a lot of chance to talk with teenagers or like young hipsters, and then he got few brand new words from hipsters. I don't know how can I call them, they just like 20s, and then I will show you that. You understand what this means? KEBAKE? See? Wow! Many KEBAKE, right? Yeah, KEBAKE. And then another word, SABASA. Can you see SABASA here? Yeah. Here, KEBAKE and SABASA. So today I will tell you about KEBAKE and SABASA. This is really like hot word, very new. And then maybe some people will blame me. This is not brand new. But this is not for Korean teenager, right? This is for you guys who's been living in out of Korea and then just interested in Korean culture. So it's quite really brand new. You never ever heard of it. So KEBAKE means case by case, right? KEBAKE is case by case. KEBAKE. Yeah! So how to use? Just like that. You just say that. 그거 KEBAKE잖아. So maybe some of your friends said, yeah, it's everybody same, or everything is just same. Every situation happen to the same way over and over again. No, there is KEBAKE, case by case. You can say it like this. And SABASA. Yeah, and SABASA. SABASA is 사람 by 사람. So what is 사람? Yeah, 사람 is just man, just people, right? So which means it depends on people. It depends on who this person is. Things like that. So it's very similar to case by case, right? So we can say that just SABASA, right? So for example, that kind of guy is always so bad and rude and bad mannered, and you can say no, that is SABASA. Maybe next time I'm gonna sum up all brand new words that's been used very often in very popular way in 2018 in Korea, because it's already December, right? So I will maybe sum up brand new words and I'm gonna introduce you. Please wait for that. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.